This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default search engine in the Firefox web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Firefox. To change your default search engine in Firefox, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to tap on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, right down here under General, you see it says Search. You can see currently I have Google as my search engine. I'm going to tap on it. And up top here, Default Search Engine. As you can see, currently I have Google, but I could tap on that, and I can change it to any one of these here that I would choose to change it to. I'm going to click on Cancel. Down below that, it shows you the same list of search engines that you had just saw under the default search engine. These are the same ones. Down below that, it says Add Search Engine. If I tap on Add Search Engine, if I wanted to add my own, I would list a title for it right up here. Down below that, I would place the URL of the search engine. And down below that, it shows you an example of a URL of that's the YouTube search engine. You could add your own, but that is how you change your default search engine on the Firefox app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.